Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up and slow down video in TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok application, and then you need to click on the plus icon, and in the top you will see with flip the second option is speed. Click on that option and you can speed up the video by clicking on 3x 2x 1x. But if you do not want to speed up and if you want to slow down the video, you simply need to select 0.5 0.3, and when you record a video it will slow down your video. Let me show you. So here you can see that. So if you want to speed up, you can speed up your video as well by clicking from here. So this is a process by which you can speed up and slow down video in TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.